Hello there and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. Now in this tutorial, I'll show you how to download the iWebTV player on your Fire TV. So all you need to do is to hop over to the Fire icon, go down to search and click on it to get in. Now you have your keyboard pulled up, so search iWeb player. So IWE, so you have iWebTV app. That's what you're looking for. So you click on it and you have this app right here, iWebTV player. Click to launch and then you find the download button loading. It's downloading, so click on it and it begins the download process. Just be patient for a couple of seconds and your download will begin. This should take you a couple of seconds only, and when it's done downloading, you find an automatic installation process. So just be patient for it to install, and when it automatically installs, you could open the app right here by clicking on open app, or you could find it in your app library. Easy as that. Now if you found value in this tutorial, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.